guys, I'm making aloo paratha today, and these are all the vegetables that I need and which are roughly chopped. There is gobi, there is carrot, there is beetroot, there's capsicum, onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. You need to finely chop all of this, so I'm going to show you how I chop it. And I've also kept my aloo for boiling. So guys, this is what I use to make my vegetables finely chopped. I open it and I start putting vegetables. You can't put all of them together, so I'm going to keep putting 2-3 of them. So here goes my capsicum and my onion. You can see how finely chopped my vegetables are. So I'm going to do this with all my vegetables. So here's how this looks. I'm going to remove this and put it at the side. So here my next set of vegetables are also ready. So these are all my vegetables chopped in just like less than 10 minutes, I think. Once all the vegetables are chopped, you need to add a pinch of salt. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside for some time. So guys, it's been 10 minutes. I've kept my mixture now I have to take cubes, make it brown, and remove all the excess water. Can you see so much water fall? So guys, as you can see, there's so much water that's come out, so you should always follow this procedure. Let's get started with the masala. First thing, we have already boiled the aloo, so I'm going to add all my boiled smashed aloo. I've also grated some paneer. I'm going to add all the paneer. Give it all a nice mix. So guys, next up are all my masalas. Jeera powder, mirchi powder, haldi, hing, some more salt, my mirchi paste, some kitchen king masala, and amchur powder. Once all of this is added, you give this all a nice mix. And guys, my mixture is ready. There was some salt and some masalas missing, so I've already added that. Next, you've just got to take the portions and make them into ball. So I've let both the sides be brown first, and then for the second time I add the ghee on it, and then again let it happen for 2 minutes. You see such a good color coming up? That's the sign of a perfect stuffed paratha. A little more ghee. So my paratha is almost done. I'm going to make all my parathas like this and serve it hot. You can serve this with pickle, curd, raita, or even chutney. Here my paratha is ready.